Southwest. Do you want to clap? Clap for the captain and the co-captain. Aren't they great? Oh, God bless America. Welcome to Salt Lake City, everybody. You saw half of it. Passing over in this great country. Hey, listen, we ask you to stay seated. Would you please keep your seatbelt fastened and all of your carry-on items stowed until we come to a stop at the gate and turn off the overhead fasten seatbelt. Be careful when opening overhead bins. Your items have been up there like 3 hours. They might miss you so much they want to jump out and kiss you right on the forehead. So we don't want that to happen. Goodness, I might get hurt with paperwork. So slowly open the bins. Keep a hand up. Watch out for stuff to fall out. Are you connecting to other Southwest cities today? Fabulous. Deplane. Check the teaming monitors inside the terminal for connecting flight and gate information. Are you going on to Seattle? You just love us so much you want to go to Seattle and stay on board? Well, stay right where you're seated until we make it past your through count. We'll let you know when it's okay to get up and move around. And I'll be on the ground here in about 25 minutes. And off we go again. Thanks for choosing Southwest, everyone, if you're leaving us in Salt Lake. Happy Mother's Day. Ding. Now free to move about the country. Have a nice day. Play the disc.